Hello everyone, this is Tech Tank. And today I'm going to show you how you can extract text when you don't have an option to extract it. Basically, what I mean is that you can, with this video, you'll learn a way how you can extract text from sources where you can't copy. For example, you can't copy this date and time because you don't have any option to. How do you do it? The answer is in this video. So see the video till the end. Now I'm going to show you how you can extract text. So this is the first way and the name is Project Naptha. Project Naptha is a Chrome extension which you can add it to Chrome. You can finish this process. Once you're done with installing it, you can check it out. I'm going to show you Project Naptha in full live work action. I've opened this Apple advertisement board. I'll refresh the page. So Project Naptha can just work in action. Mostly when before you add Project Naptha, you don't have an option which you can copy the text of this image. But with Project Naptha, you can. Just hover your mouse over this. You can see the cursor, copy the text. You can use the shortcut Control C, copy the text. Control V, paste it anywhere you want. Right click on this text. You can see many options which you can do with this text, and you can do anything of your choice. It's up to you. Now, friends, this is what Project Naptha was about. There's a downfall of Project Naptha, which I'm going to explain to you right now. So, moving on to the second one. Now, I'm going to show you and explain to you what is the problem with Project Naptha. So, the problem with Project Naptha is that it only works within Chrome and not outside Chrome. What I mean is, it can extract text only within Chrome and not outside Chrome, as it's just a Chrome extension. Now, to solve this problem, install the Microsoft Power Toys. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download them. Scroll down, click on the text extractor, enable it, and you can see the activation shortcut is Windows plus Shift plus T. You can also edit it according to your choice. And let's just keep it here. Now, to show the text extractor in full action, I'll just show it to you right away over here. Just put the shortcut Control Shift plus T. The extractor tool appears. Now you can just extract any text you want. So I can extract this text which I couldn't when you know when I didn't enable the text extractor. So you can enable anything with this. So this doesn't only work within PowerToys, it works outside PowerToys, like on a desktop screen, in any other app, etc. etc. So, friends, this is very useful, and in this way, you can extract stuff even outside Chrome. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you think this could be useful to others, please do share it. This is me, Tech Tank, signing off. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.